Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new number on your contact list. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your phone and then go to keypad, and then you can type his or her number. So for example, I'm just gonna type any random number, and then once you're done, just click add number and then click create new contact. And then here you can just put their first name, last name, company, and then you can also add their email, then set the ringtone, text tone. Then after that, you can put their photo by clicking add photo. So once you've done that, just click done, and then that number is saved in your contact list. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.